Class 1, Lecture 7, Subject English Grammar, Topic Preposition. Good morning, students. Take out your English 4 lines notebook. If you already have one margin line on one side of the page, draw another line on the other side of the page. Write day, subject and date. After that, write preposition with capital letters. Then write definition. Start writing its definition. A word which shows relation between two nouns is called preposition. Example, the book is on the table. Look at the example, book and table. Both are nouns and in between you have preposition. Dear student, not in all cases you will have two nouns. It is not necessary, but mostly you will have two nouns, so in between you will have preposition. Look at its exercise. Use the given prepositions in your own sentences. You have in, on, under, behind, in front of, at the side of. You have all those prepositions. You have to make a box like this and you have to circle it like this. Write it in the box and then you have to use all of the prepositions in the given sentences. Who is dash the kitchen? So in this sentence I already wrote it. So you just have to do what? You have to circle it and you have to write preposition on the top of it. Who is in the kitchen? Question mark, circle in and write preposition. Number 2, they all have caps on their heads. Circle on and write preposition on it. Number 3, don't look under the bed. Circle under and write preposition on it. Why is she standing in front of you? In front of. Circle it and write preposition. I already made all the sentences and they are written. You just have to copy it. Look at number 5. Walk at the side of the road. Circle at the side of and write preposition on it. Then you have number 6. She is hiding behind the tree. Circle behind and write preposition on it. And at the end draw a finish line. That's it. It is the end of your topic. Thank you, students.